Hello, good evening, everybody. My name is Kodiswaran Analakimurthy, Metric 10 DDT 22F1103, and here is my group mate name, Viraj Analakimalayam, metric number 10 DDT 22F1142, and Tarvin Analaki Tiagu, metric 10 DDT 22F1122. So here is the scenario. Companies is technology corporation want to upgrade the access network. The increase in the number of users as causes the network to the unstable. Management done to the upgrade the network to change all the access net routers for every branch and main office with capabilities for dynamic host configuration protocol DHCP. Management in the network. The network system technology corporation growth to the bigger scale and number of end device increase according to the number of staff. Number of staff that require accessing to the internet at the same time also increase. Network engineering of company also want to create routers to prevent a single point of failure at the default gateway. The network team has also designed to use static routing for one path to an outside network. It will be provide security in larger network for certain type of traffic or links to other network that need more control. So here is the topology. So the question is design upgrade topology according to scenario using packet tracer. And A plan upgrade a target area and add two new PC to branch A and B as a represent 50 host. Create IP address shape for HQ branch A and branch B. State the addressing table. So here is the addressing table. Device HQ interface serial 0/0/0 IP address 1.1.1.1 and subnet 255.255.255.252 default gateway, and the second serial port 0/0/1 IP address 2.2.21 subnet 255.255.252, and the interface gigabyte internet 0/0 IP address 209.165.200.225 subnet 255.255.255.252, and the second giga internet 0/1 IP address 3.3.3.2 and subnet 255.255.255.252, and branch A serial port 0/0/1 IP address 2.2.2.2 and subnet 255.255.255.252, giga internet 0/0 IP address 172.16.0.1 subnet 255.255.255.0, and branch B serial port 0 IP address 1.1.1.2 subnet 255.255.255.252, and branch B giga internet 0/0 IP address 10.10.30.1 subnet 255.255.255.0, and branch B giga internet 0/1 IP address 10.10.20.1 1, and the subnet 255.255.255.0, and PC branch A1, no IP interface, IP address 172.16.0.100, subnet 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway is 172.16.0.1, and PC branch A2, IP address 172.16.0.150, subnet 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway is 172.16.0.1. PC branch A3 172.16.0.200, subnet 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway 172.16.0.1. Web server IP address 209.165.200.254, subnet mask 255.255.255.252, and the default gateway is 209.165.200.1, and the vendor's IP address 3.3.3.1, and the subnet 255.255.255.252, and interface 0/0/1, vendors IP address 192.168.0.1, subnet 255.255.255, and then PC1 IP address 192.168.0.100, subnet 255.255.255, and the default gateway is 192.168.0.1, and PC2 IP address 192.168.0.101, subnet 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway is 192.168.0.2.
Selamat pagi tuan, nama saya Tajwin. Nama bedih saya 10 DDT 22F1022. So, perform basic configuration to all router. Configuration tasks for each router include the following: configure IP address for the router, set clock rate 14,000, 8,000 for interface serial, DCE. Assign Cisco as the console and VTY password. Configure a message of the day using unauthorized access in prohibited. So first, interface serial 10/00, IP at 1.1.1.2, 255.255.255.252. The Cisco password, the line console password is Cisco123, and the line VTY 015 password also same Cisco123. Configure DHCP to HQ and branch B. HQ IP DSP pool HQ network 209.165.225.255.255.255.252, and branch B, host name branch B, IPDSP excluded address 10.10.30.1, 10.10.30.50, IPDSP excluded address 10.10.20.1, 10.10.20.50, IPDSP pool admin network 10.10.30.0, 255.255.255.0, default router 10.10.30.1, IPDSP pool account network 10.10.20.10, 255.255.255.0 default router 10.10.20.1. Create HSRP for network at branch A. Interface G0/0. Standby 1 IP 172.16.0.254. Standby 1 priority under 50. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Viraj Punia. My this number is 108022F1142. Now I'm explain about 26. Implement static routing to each area to outside. On HK router, we use total 4 IP route. On branch A router, we use total 6 IP route. And on branch B router, we use totally 5 IP route. We use IP route for select the path for IP packet to travel from the origin to the destination. Next, method 7. Add new area name window. Use router ISR 4321 with one switch and two PC. Connect to HQ using Ethernet cable. Choose correct cable. Okay, on the picture that we saw, we add new area and use network address 192.168.0.0/24. The next question is configure basic configuration. We use hostname as window and line console 0 and line UTI 0 until 15 use password as ISPO 123. And we configure banner MFD one other access is prohibited. Next is implement static route to reach outside and all branch. We use total 6 IP route to communicate all the router from outside.
Okay, thank you.